हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम चलते हैं यूनिटी पार्क जो कि अदीस अबाबा इथोपिया में है। मुझे लगता है कि ये दुनिया का एकमात्र ऐसा पार्क है जहाँ पे हिस्ट्री, कल्चर और नेचर सब एक साथ आते हैं। यहाँ पे आप रॉयल पैलेसेस देखेंगे, म्यूजियम देखेंगे, लस ग्रीन गार्डन्स देखेंगे और वाइल्ड लाइफ भी देखेंगे। So this is tunnel entrance. We are entering from here in Unity Park. We'll see what is happening here. Yeah, entrance. Here we are going to see green area, traditional garden and black lion zoo. A horse and cranes. Being done with the ladies. يا أخي جو مرة حلوة، مرة حلوة جو. So this is a man-made cave. और इसमें जो है you can see lion from so close. And of course there is a grass. Grass is there to cover. But this black lion you can see from so close. He's sleeping at this moment. ये ब्यूटी देखिए केव कितने आसानी से बनाया गया। और जब भी मैं लायन के बारे में बता रहा था, ये लायन सिर्फ इस जू में ही पाया जाता है और दुनिया में कहीं भी नहीं है। ये ऑलमोस्ट एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए। सो इन दिस पार्ट वी हैव एनिमल्स फ्रॉम डियर फैमिली एंड दिस बर्ड आई थिंक दिस बर्ड इज फ्रॉम युगांडा। ओके, आई नीड टू चेक दैट। दिस साइड देयर आर more animals. Now we will be entering into indigenous garden. Let's see what we are seeing there. So let's see what is here. Arts and crafts and handmade things. Cups are beautiful cups. Those cups also. Hello. There is table also. Here also bean, coffee bean. Hello, so I'm entering into one antique store. Hello.
I do.
Okay, so these are handmade, right?
Yeah.
So ये इंडिजीनियस पार्क जो है ये मैन मेड पार्क है और यहाँ के आर्टिस्ट ने बनाया है। उसके अलावा जो है यहाँ पे सारे प्लांट्स और ट्रीज जो पाए जाते हैं इथोपिया में वो यहाँ पे देखने को मिलेंगे। And definitely I can see there are a lot of birds also. See the design, bird, flying bird. The flying bird design here, see. Even on the, and they have made some other part also. This one is turtle shaped building. There are 3 buildings, important building in this park. One is turtle shaped building. And this is the one turtle shaped. And then there are 2 camel shaped buildings. So camel shaped buildings are here. If you see here, this is the first camel, and then that another camel, and they have one mouth. And Fahad is going to get one camel for us. So now I'm standing in front of the 2 camels building, in fact. And now we'll go inside the camels building and we'll see what are the things inside the camels building. This is the entrance of the camel building. You can see the floor, wooden floors are there. Even inside everything is made from wood only. There are windows also. And then the ceilings are designed. Nice design ceiling. Okay, and the other part is same like that only. And again the roofs are designed. Okay, and then we are moving ahead in the camel building, and then you have to go down for both the parts. And again, this roof, I mean, a small roof is wooden one only. There is lighting inside. This is making it more beautiful. And this part is also okay. So here, in fact, some pictures are made. Different shapes and design of camels are here in the picture. And then we have charging point also here. Very interesting charging points when as a tourist we go somewhere and our charging finishes. So here you can use that. So this part in fact is covered with clay. And then you see how they have made water to flow. Water will come here, so it should not go on the window. So they have made holes. I will say more arts made from wooden. We can see here. See, and then there is a top, glass top, so that this will not spoil or will not get wet. And beautiful, yeah, beautiful. Even here, you see how I mean, even the tree or the trunk has been utilized as an art. Some newlywed couples have come over here and they are doing photography here. But they are taking it different. So you can see some newlywed couples, they are taking their pictures. And we are making our video. We are entering into Throne House and Aquarium and Zoo area. This is Emperor Manic Palace, and this is called Egg House because this is shaped like an egg. And this is better view of egg-shaped house, which was of King Manic. And this palace, in fact. And the palace is going on till there. Not allowed to go there. We need to have different ticket, which we have not taken in fact. And a car is kept as a symbol, and then people are wearing king's cloth, sort of king cloth, and they're taking their picture. So this man is reading and the girl is not reading, huh? And then the power of the pen you can see in this art. This is the stamp with lion, black lion, which we saw in the zoo. Another stamp you can see here. With time, the stamp has also changed, so you can see a new design for a stamp. और ये है थ्रोन हाउस. थ्रोन हाउस जैसा कि नाम से ही पता है ये किस चीज़ के लिए होगा. Many African countries lions are famous over here as well. Okay, now we are entering throne area where this is the crown of Emperor Haile Selassie. First crown. This is hat of Emperor. This is hat of Emperor Menelik II. बहुत अच्छी हाइट है यार। तो इस पार्ट में इन लोग दिखा रहे हैं क्वीन ऑफ शेबा एंड सुलेमान अलैहिस्सलाम लाइफ एट किंग सुलेमान्स कोर्ट। ये इनका बिलीव है कि क्वीन ऑफ शेबा जो है वो इथोपिया और यमन के बॉर्डर पे कहीं जन्मी थी और उसका फर्स्ट बेटा जो है वो किंग हुआ था इथोपिया का। So from here, from in front of the zoo, see how the palace and throne area is looking. It is on the higher side, mountain side, and then you can see there are mountains on the left hand side, and there are some restaurants, and then there is entry for Unity Zoo. First we are seeing Mirkat. I mean Mirkat क्या है यार, ये तो they are very close to Neolas. They are not Neolas. So this is aquarium. इस aquarium में तो ज़्यादा fish नहीं है, but still there are some fish. इससे ज़्यादा fish I think जद्दा के वो airport पे है. मालूम إيش كلام أنا كلام أيوة ها مطار ज़्यादा أيوة مكمل أيوة شوف حاجة. These are looking like a snake, huh? I don't think I have seen such a huge turtle in my life. My God, see how it is eating. My God, see the shell, man. The legs are so strong. So the cheetahs are here. Cheetahs जो कि हमने मसाई मारा में देखा था. Of course, they were hunting there. Close view है. 3 चीता लेटे हुए. Very close look. और जू साइड से ये एक सिटी व्यू है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव सिटी व्यू फ्रॉम वेयर एवर आई एम गोइंग. मैन दीज आर ह्यूज लायन यार. When we saw them, we thought they are not asli, means they are not original. They are designed, but oh my goodness, yeah, they are huge. I cannot imagine, yeah, the lion will be so huge. I have seen so many lions in Masai Mara and even in Uganda, tree climbing lion, but they are nowhere near this huge. I have seen lion from so close, but this is amazing.
And those are not lions?
No, they're lions. One is a boy lion, the other one is girl lions. You see them?
This is open view. So they are lioness, and here is the lion. Lion of the, king of the jungle. It's so huge. هذا كبير مرة ها. أنا أشوف كينيا ما في كده.
أنا أشوف كينيا لا ما في كبير شوية صغير.
أيوة شوية صغير من هذا.
أنا شفت كينيا هذا بس صغير شوي.
أيوة هذا مرة كبير.
هذا
حتى هذا أيوة كل اثنين مرة كبير. أنا أشوف كينيا أنا أشوف يوغندا حتى ما في. هم أحمر. هذا شوية أبيض. أيوة أحمر شوية أحمر. براون يعني بني زي كده زي هذا. خشب.
ايوه زي خشب.
ايوه.
لكن هذا
بس حاجة
مرة شوف.
مرة كيف هم يجلسوا اثنين يجلس سوا. वाइल्ड डॉग की बहुत सारी हमने डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखी है और इतने पास से पहली बार देख रहा हूँ ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. बहुत सारे जानवर देख लिए थे लेकिन ये वाइल्ड डॉग यार। और ये आई मीन दे आर सो मच कलरफुल यार, दे आर नॉट लुकिंग लाइक डॉग्स इटसेल्फ, बट दे ऑल आर स्लीपिंग यार। आफ्टरनून टाइम दे ऑल आर स्लीपिंग, आफ्टर पोस्ट लंच स्लीप है ये। एक ये अपना मुंह उठा रहा है, सी द फेस मैन। ये ज़ेब्रा है, बट इनकी बेचारों की क्या हालत हो गई है यार, अरे बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है, इतने गरीब टाइप के दिख रहे हैं ज़ेब्रा। जिराफ तो बेचारा और भी गरीब हो रहा है यार। ये है एक और गरीब ज़ेब्रा। ये क्या ज़ेब्रा रहेगा यार, यहाँ पे ना तो ट्री है ना तो प्लांट है। इसको जो खाने को दिया जाएगा वो देगा, और लाल मिट्टी है और वो गंदा हो जाएगा। नहाने के लिए पानी अप्लाइज फॉर zebra and other animals which are here, and that's why I said and I have said many times कि जंगल में जाके देखना है। if you want to see the animals, you see them in their natural inhabitants। ये ऑस्ट्रिच, इसको भी देख वीडियो के लिए, ऑस्ट्रिच को भी मैंने मसाई मारा में देखा था सफारी के दौरान, उसके सामने कुछ भी नहीं है। एक पार्ट में हम रीजनल पवेलियंस को भी देख सकते हैं, जो कि इथोपिया के डाइवर्स कल्चर को, हिस्ट्री को शोकेस करता है। कॉफ़ी 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 सेरेमनी। ये है अफार रीजन। अफार तो दोस्त जाना ये कभी ना कभी। लूसी जो है मदर ऑफ ऑल मैनकाइंड का जो है रीजन बना हुआ है। कैसे उसको मिला था, हाउ लूसी वाज डिस्कवर्ड, दिस इज हाउ लूसी वाज फाउंड, द मदर ऑफ ऑल ह्यूमंस। मदर ऑफ ऑल ह्यूमंस को देखने के बाद it's time to move on and we'll start our next journey, and I will see you in my next video with more interesting facts about Ethiopia.